Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening taskbar settings because this is the quickest, safest path. Right-click the taskbar and choose Taskbar Settings. You need no extra tools. Once in Settings, locate the search section so you can change its visibility. This step removes the search box or icon from view and freeze space. It does not uninstall features. Make sure you have administrator access if prompted, and keep settings open. The next actions happen inside this pane. Now choose how you want the search feature displayed. In Search, pick Hidden to remove it completely, Show Search icon to keep a compact magnifier, or Show Search box for full text input. Once done, Windows applies the change immediately so you can confirm on the taskbar. If Cortana appears separately, toggle its icon off under Taskbar Settings Cortana. Make sure to use small taskbar buttons if you want extra space. This setting coexists with search choices. Finish by confirming the search element is gone from the taskbar. Right-click an empty spot to ensure no residual items. If the search box or icon persists, open Task Manager, select Windows Explorer and click Restart. That refreshes the UI and usually fixes display glitches. If it still reappears, you may need group policy or registry edits on Pro/Enterprise. Back up the registry first. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.